Today we're gonna talk about why fruit splits, and this is usually caused by one of these three things. The first one is irregular watering. For example, this week we watered twice and next week we watered once, and so on. Watering has to be regular. For example, this week for the whole fruiting time we water twice a week. Also, it's important, the second thing is the quantity of water. If you water 10 liters today, next time it has to be 10 liters. This means that watering has to be consistent, such also as the frequency. Another problem which causes fruit to split is disease. The fruit can be attacked when young. They will be in the buds, and they will have some insects such as thrips or aphids, which damage the bark, the skin of the fruit, and there it develops a type of rough skin. Obviously, rough skin doesn't expand well when the fruit is developing, such as normal skin. This is a defect, and so it's the first place to split. So the three important issues that we take out from this video is watering has to be regular and with the same frequency. That means same liters and same frequency of days per week. And also you have to check for insects when the fruit are still nearly after they bloom. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video.